Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to download the latest version of UnRaid and write the image to a bootable USB stick. First, head over to unraid.net and locate the download section on the page. Choose the operating system you are currently using on your machine and download the application. Once the application is downloaded, run the app with administrative rights. This should automatically sort itself out if you start the application. If not, right-click the app and choose Run as Administrator. When the app opens, you're presented with a clean and intuitive interface. The first line lets you choose which version of UnRaid you want to download and install, and it gives you some customization options if you so need. This depends if the USB needs to be UEFI bootable or not. If this sounds Greek to you, leave the options as is. The second line lets you choose the destination path, which USB you want it installed on. You don't have to, but it's a good manner to format your USB before installing UnRaid on it. This ensures that your USB is formatted correctly and the app can start with a freshly formatted USB. Once your options are set and ready, click the Write button. This prompts you with a window asking if you really want to go through with this install, and then you click the Erase and Write. Let the app do its thing and wait for it to finish. Once it's finished, unmount the USB from your computer and insert it into the host machine to where you want to install UnRaid. Enter the BIOS of your machine and choose the boot menu. To navigate to your boot menu, please check your motherboard's manufacturer's help guide, because this step varies from motherboard to motherboard. Next step will be installing UnRaid on the host machine. So bye for now.